In this video, we are going to check Mediatheque building. This building is in Sendai, which experienced a magnitude 9 earthquake in 2011. Only minor damage was caused to this building by the earthquake. In the following, we will examine the structural system of the building and describe the specifications. As you can see in the pictures, the main feature of this building is its columns, which have large dimensions. The vertical connection in the building, including the stairs and elevators, is located in the middle of the columns. In addition, the columns in different floors are not in the same direction, and this event increased the beauty of this building. In most buildings, the structure consists of a number of columns that are connected to each other by different beams, and the roof structure is made of concrete slabs. But in this building, the columns are a space frame and the roof structure is made of steel grids. This picture shows the plan of steel grids used in one of the floors and also how it's executed. The columns of the building are also executed after the construction of each floor, but in different floors, these columns are not executed in the same direction, and their connection with the roof structure in different floors is often different. Due to the fact that space frame columns have large dimensions that reduce cylinderness and increase the moment of inertia. As a result, these columns bear more axial and flexural load than ordinary columns with similar weight. Also, due to the internal space created in the column, stairs and elevators are provided in this space. Now, we want to study the performance of the structure under different loads. First, we examine the gravity loads, which were transferred to the columns through the steel grids of the floors and caused tension and pressure in different members of the columns. In lateral loading, which can be earthquake or wind, these forces, which are applied in different floors of the building, cause shear force in the columns, which also cause tension and pressure in members of the column. In the earthquake that happened in 2011, the building structure was not damaged, and most of the damage was in false ceiling of the building, which in some cases, false ceilings collapsed. As you can see in these pictures, the space frame columns in each floor were executed separately, and after the implementation of steel grids with welded joints, the columns of the next floor were executed and the members of these columns were connected to each other by a steel flange. This flange is also connected to a steel ring which is welded to the roof steel grids. The use of space columns has not only happened in this building and has been implemented in various projects that you can see in these photos. These columns have been implemented mostly in space with large spans.
I walk around like that.